Hey guys, let's build this tool to get this ring off. These tools are easy. Quit using punches and crap for these plastic. All you're going to do is crack them. All you need is angle iron. This is 1/8 inch. All you need to do is get a hold of this web here. What I did here is I slit it. Let me get a tape measure. I've been making these gas tank tools for a long time. Let's see, this is 1x1 angle iron. This is 1x1 angle iron. Just move it in. So you need about a 1/4 inch, about 3/8 of an inch cut off. 1/4 inch on one, about a 1/4 inch on each side. And then just slice the middle. I got mine a little too wide. All you need to do is slice it about 1/8 of an inch. Yeah, about 1/8. And then take it on your vise and flatten that sucker out. Just flare it out so it can fit in here tight. That's one. Now we gotta do the same thing on the other side too. So we need 2 of these bars to go across on each side. So basically, like I said, about a 1/4 inch. Quarter inch in. I don't know how tall I made them. That's like about 3/4, 7/8. I just winged it. And slice the middle. Don't have to be precise, just slice it. I'll be back in a minute. Now after you did that, that's what it should look like. You notice it won't go in. Alright, now what you need to do is come over to your vise. Hopefully you have a vise. And get it past the ears a little bit. And just give it a little crimp, a push, or whatever you want to call them. I'm back over here. Still a little tight. Let me go back over there really quick. Test it again. Still a little bit more tight. Test it again. Now that's perfect, but I gotta go back out and re-slice this open because it's closed in. Give me a minute. Alright, flip that open a little bit and did a back grind on it. And it's still not open enough. Alright, be back with you. Flip it back some more, and it's laying right flush with this now. Nice and tight. Alright. Not liking that. Hang on, guys. Alright. Now what we need to do is run a brace across. So it don't matter what it is. That'll work. And to give me a hold to open it with. Okay. Let me go cut that off and we'll be back in a few minutes. Alright, I got my piece cut. You want to lower this down. Hopefully I'm showing you guys. You want to leave yourself at least a, I don't know, hand width. I don't know, about half an inch to an inch of gap there. So that looks pretty good right there. Now, problem is I got the gas tank in the garage and I need to weld this. I'm not welding in the garage. I'm sorry guys. I ain't that crazy and stupid and retarded or whatever else you guys call me. Sorry, I'm not that crazy guys. I'm not welding this on this tank or anything like that. Because this garage is smelling bad. I got it marked. I've seen if there's a date on this thing, but I don't see it. Usually they're dated on top of the tanks. I don't see one. I'm glad that's a vent line. Alright, so we'll be back when I get this welded. Alright, be back. So, it may look like garbage after it's welded up. Now, a lot of people are going to say, oh, this ain't going to work, this ain't going to work. I bet. There you go. Cost me probably $5 to make it. Maybe. It was actually free, so it didn't cost me nothing. Okay, catch you guys later. Peace out, have fun.